Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a low-pass filter in a subwoofer. A low-pass filter is essential for directing only low-frequency sounds to your subwoofer, ensuring it reproduces the deep bass notes accurately. This prevents your subwoofer from trying to play higher frequencies, which could make your audio sound muddy or distorted, giving you a much cleaner sound. To set your crossover point, consult your main speaker's frequency response specifications. Ideally, the subwoofer should pick up where your main speakers roll off. A common starting point is 80 Hz, but adjust this based on your room acoustics and speaker size. Many subwoofers have a dial, often labeled crossover or LPF, which you can turn to select the desired frequency. After setting the initial crossover, perform listening tests with various music genres or movie scenes to fine-tune the sound. Adjust the frequency dial incrementally, perhaps by 10 Hz at a time, and listen for improvements in bass integration and clarity. Your goal is to achieve a seamless blend, where the bass sounds natural and not localized to the subwoofer's position. A common error is setting the crossover too high, causing bass frequencies to overlap excessively and sound boomy. Ensure your subwoofer is placed optimally, usually in a corner or along a wall, to enhance its output without creating standing waves. Take your time during setup, as precise adjustments will significantly enhance your overall audio experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.